Everything changed after the warning was delivered to the world. Military leaders rushed into emergency meetings as tensions grew dangerously high. The warning shocked millions of people watching around the globe. Across the desert, military bases quickly prepared for possible conflict. Fighter jets filled the skies while soldiers waited nervously. Radar systems detected unusual military activity near the border. Missile launchers were moved into position during the dark night. Soldiers prepared for what many feared could become a major war. Then suddenly, emergency reports arrived. Military screens showed attacks moving rapidly across the region. The entire base entered full emergency mode within seconds. Missiles launched into the night sky as the conflict officially began. Huge explosions lit up the horizon far beyond the desert. News stations around the world reported the growing crisis. Military leaders studied maps carefully, trying to predict the next move. Inside underground bunkers, soldiers waited while explosions shook the walls. Meanwhile, civilians tried desperately to escape the chaos in nearby cities. Drones filled the skies as surveillance increased across the battlefield. Entire military bases suffered heavy damage during the attacks. Commanders worked non-stop to prevent the situation from becoming even worse. After hours of conflict, exhaustion spread through the war rooms. Rescue teams risked their lives helping civilians trapped in destroyed areas. Satellite images revealed just how quickly the conflict was spreading. Smoke covered the skyline as entire neighborhoods lost power. Emergency crews rushed through the streets trying to restore order. As the sun rose, fighter jets slowly returned from dangerous missions. For many soldiers, the reality of war had changed everything forever. Communities began helping each other survive during the crisis. Slowly, rebuilding efforts started across the damaged cities. And in the end, the world was reminded how quickly peace can disappear.